In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a game to Steam that was downloaded elsewhere. By the end, you'll have your game show up right inside your Steam library, ready to launch like any other title. First, make sure the Steam desktop app is open on your computer and you're signed in. You can be on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The process is very similar across platforms. With Steam open, look toward the very top of the window for the menu bar. There, click the Games menu. This is where Steam keeps the option to bring outside programs into your library. From that menu, choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. Selecting this opens a window that scans your system and lists programs Steam can detect. Think of this as Steam asking, which app should I create a shortcut for? If your game shows up in this list automatically, that's great, you're almost there. If you don't immediately see it, that's where browsing comes in. Use the Browse button inside this window to navigate through your files and locate the game's actual launcher file. On Windows, that's typically the .exe inside the game's installation folder. On Mac OS, look for the .app bundle. And on Linux, it may be the executable file in the game's folder. If the game installed on another drive or in a custom directory, just follow that path. Choosing the correct launcher is important. You want the file that starts the game itself, not a separate installer or an unrelated helper tool. Once you've found it, you'll see the game listed in the window. Click the checkbox next to the game to tell Steam exactly which program you want to add. You can select more than one if you're organizing several titles at once, but for clarity, pick the one you're working on now. Double check the name shown here. It's how the game will appear in your library. If the name looks a little generic, don't worry. You can always tidy that up later in your library details. Finally, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will create a shortcut and place it in your library under the Games section, usually appearing in a non-Steam category. From here, you can click Play to launch it through Steam. Many games will work with the Steam overlay and your controller configurations right away. If the game doesn't start as expected, revisit the same process and confirm you picked the correct executable file. That's all there is to it. Your non-Steam game is now neatly integrated into Steam.